still raining. I was lied. I was deceived. Oh my god, I was lied to. I was deceived. I was told it wasn't raining no more. It's still... Oh my god. Wait, hold on. How bad is it getting? I literally cannot tell. Oh my god, it's fucking raining! Ah! Oh my god, I can't see. It's not like this really doesn't affect me, because it doesn't. I'm wearing a full hoodie, long pants, boots, gloves. But I did not want to get wet. I don't want to get sick. Let it stop. Oh, it stops. Oh my god, it started again. Ah!